What's up YouTube, the Mi 10 series is here and ready to take on this year's flagship. As expected, the company announced the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro in an online-only event, although one of that only applied to the Chinese market. Xiaomi has wasted no time in pushing the Mi 10 series hard through, with the Mi 10 Pro already topping the DxO Mark leaderboard. This device is including a 90Hz of a OLED panel inside, and it is including a 108 megapixel of a camera sensor inside. This is very impressive from them, and also the other specification of that particular device is a flagship killer, you can say it. So in this particular video I'm gonna talk about the specification of this particular device. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So first we are going to discuss about the display of Mi 10 Pro 5G. It is coming with a 6.67 inch of Super AMOLED display with a 89.9% screen to body ratio. 1080 by 2340 is the pixel density, 19.5 by 9 is the aspect ratio, and 386 is the PPI density. Gorilla Glass 5 protection is coming on the front of the device, and the device is supporting HDR10 plus support. Also, it is coming with a 90Hz of a refresh rate and a 500 of nits of brightness. 180Hz of a touch sensing is going to be seen in that particular device. Also, the front is coming with a punch hole camera cutout present on the top left corner of the device. So talking about the cameras, the selfie camera is coming with a 20 megapixel of f2.0 aperture camera sensor, which has a support for HDR and can record 1080p 30 frames per second videos. While on the back, it is coming with a quad camera setup on the back, just we have seen in Mi Note 10, which Xiaomi already released last year. It is including a 108 megapixel camera sensor with f1.7 aperture. 8 megapixel is going to be the telephoto lens, which has a 10 time of hybrid optical zoom. 12 megapixel is going to be the portrait mode, and 20 megapixel is the ultra wide camera, which we have seen in this device. Triple LED dual tone flashlight is going to be seen on the back side, and it can record up to 8K video in 30 frames per second. Performance wise, it is coming with the Snapdragon latest processor, the 865, which is based on 7nm architecture. It is an octa-core processor and coming with a GPU support of Adreno 650. Memory wise, it is coming with the 3 different variants: 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage, and 12GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage. The storage is based on UFS 3.0, which can increase the read and write speed of that particular device. No memory card slot is going to be seen in this particular device from Xiaomi. In terms of operating system, it is coming with an Android 10 support out of the box, which is the latest from Google, and also the skin which is running on the top of Android 10 is going to be MIUI 11, which is also the latest from Xiaomi. Battery is coming with a 4500 mAh of a battery inside with a fast charging support of 50 watt. Power delivery 3.0 is going to be seen in this particular device, and a fast wireless charging support of 30 watt is going to be included in that. Another power bank, or you can say a reverse wireless charging support of 5 watt is going to be seen in that particular device, making this device as one of the flagship killer device in terms of battery charging supports availability. Lastly is about the price of that device. So in terms of price, it is one of the cheapest 5G model, which is including 108 megapixel camera sensor. Its price is 660 euro. Overall, if we look at this device, it is coming with the high end of specification inside. One of the main highlight is going to be the 90Hz of a refresh rate and 108 megapixel camera sensor, making this device a real competitor to the S20 and Huawei P40, which is going to be seen in coming days. So guys, what you think about that particular device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.